Okay, y'all, we're Dollar Jean, a black cat. That's a mother that gave birth to 4 kittens not long ago. Brought me a little surprise yesterday. She dropped it right in front of me without a scratch on it. She was so gentle with it when she carried it over here to me. It must have fell out of its nest. It's a little baby bird. Look at that. Now, it's too young, too little for me to tell what kind of bird it is, but it's doing pretty good so far. It's so adorable. I brought it outside to feed it, and it's doing pretty good.